Are you wondering how strong your Wi-Fi is on the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max? There is a built-in way to check and test your Wi-Fi signal strength and speed. Let's go ahead and see. So for that, let's open settings on our TV, and from there go to network. Now first highlight your connected Wi-Fi network. Now what you can do is just press over the play pause button on the remote, and from here first we're going to select run a speed test. Press yes, continue. Now this is really useful if you've just installed a Wi-Fi booster or extender, just to check if you're actually getting the speed you need. Now when the test is done, it'll show your current download speed. Now after that, let's go ahead and go to advanced settings. You'll find a lot of different types of information in here, along with the network quality, network status, etc. Especially under the network quality, it will show your current signal strength. Now here's a quick idea what the signal levels mean. Around 40 to 50 dBm means excellent, perfect for smooth 4K streaming. 50 to 65 dBm is good and handles 4K without issues. 66 to 70 dBm is fair, HD works fine, but you might see buffering sometimes. Anything lower than that is poor, and you'll likely face drops and buffering. So when you're done, just press the back or hit the home button to exit. And that's all. Be with us for more quick tech tips.